entitled motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney. Did you understand it? Are you the same Timothy J. McCormick Johnson, who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 3084 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4,200 grams on April 4th, 2024 for a term of 10 years. Is that you?
Feels more like fingernails
State.
on a chalkboard.
Violated condition
Judge
number 1
Boyd is
on or about
obviously
the
fed up
27th
with
day
it.
of
Like and
September
subscribe, set your
2024 in
notifications to
County,
all.
Texas. The defendant,
Did you review the document entitled motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
A previous conviction.
Are you the same Timothy J. McCormick Johnson, who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 3084 true to violation of condition number 1, the controlled signature, grant the motion, sentence you to 10 years in prison and up to a $2,024 for a term of 10 years. Still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1.
Violated condition number 1.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. Defendant is denied the Johnson evading arrest or detention. Continue him on this violation condition number 1. With alternate amendment conditions to state ISF. Your Honor, will waive the remaining
When a defendant pleads true to a violation like that,
ISP
it means they're
program
admitting they broke probation.
and
That
service
gives the
of
judge full
court
power to hand
meetings
down the original sentence,
and the
up to
state
10
will
years
take into
behind bars.
consideration
Risky move right there.
conditions.
Any objection?
Clause number
Did you
2024.
understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you to 10 years in prison and up to a $2,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. That is denied the
All right.
motion to,
Mr. McCormick, can you raise your right hand for me, please?
continue him on
You
his
solemnly swear affirm
probation
testimony you give will be the
with
truth and
alternate
nothing but
amendment
the truth, so
conditions
help you
to
God?
include
You
state
can lower your hand,
ISF.
state your name for the record.
Also,
Timothy J. McCormick
monthly
Johnson.
ways,
Why are you not being successful on
ISP
probation?
program,
I
and
told him when I signed probation in April, I was
and the
still on
state will
parole.
take
So the day I
consideration.
signed, I went to my hearing for parole and they revoked me and sent me
Clause
back
number
to
2024.
TC. So I haven't had a chance to even talk to anybody from probation. I just got a TC in July.
Oh, okay. Well, that explains things. All right. Is that the proposed agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
All right. Probation, what is your recommendation? Do one or two things. I can deny the motion, follow everybody's recommendation. Can you raise your right hand for 2 years in the prison? Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? You can lower your hand, state your name for the record. All right.
Timothy
Court will
J.
deny the
McCormick
motion.
Johnson.
Why are you not being
Alternate
successful on
conditions.
probation?
I told
To
him
include
when I signed
state
probation in April,
ISF,
I was still on parole. So the day I signed, I went to my hearing for parole and they
90
revoked me
sober
and sent
meetings
me
in
back
90
to
days.
TC. So I
And taking
haven't had a chance to
consideration
even talk to
2024,
anybody from
the
probation. I just got a TC in July.
173159. Oh, okay. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, all right.
That's the
Anything
ultimate
else from either
crossroads.
side?
Nothing from the
Freedom
state,
with
Your Honor.
Nothing from
conditions or 2
defense.
solid years
All right,
in prison.
probation, is there anything
What
else
would
he
you pick
needs?
if you were standing there?
Right.
Let me know in the comments.
The court, did you review the document entitled motion to revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Follow everybody's recommendation or I send it to you. Are you the same Timothy J. McCormick Johnson who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 3084 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams on April 4th, 2024 for a term of 10 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
ISP. All right, state. 90 sober meetings in 90 days. And take into consideration 2024 PF 173159. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right. Anything else from either side?
Nothing from the state.
How do you
Your Honor.
plead to that, true or not true? All right, probation, is there anything
True.
else he needs?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing from defense.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by the doctrine of violation of condition number 1 supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? True, grant the
Yes,
motion
ma'am.
and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison. Timothy J. McCormick Johnson, who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 3084 for the offense of possession you still was true to violation of condition number 1, 4 to 200 grams on April 4th, 2024 for a term of 10 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 1, on or about the night of the life of the rights, judgment, and fair conduct accidents and defendants each of the permit.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we'd ask the court to consider continuing Mr. Johnson in this case.
How do you plead to that? True or not
This is
true?
his first MTR. I know it's his second. The first one.
Any objections to the
that He
waivers?
was
No, Your Honor.
allegedly breaking.
Did you understand by
was, I
pleading to the
believe the court,
violation of condition number 1?
Heard this
court
argument
To find
before.
it true, grant the motion and
he was
sentence
in
you up to 10 years
TDC.
in the prison?
He was sent to TDC when he was supposed to be
And up
reporting
to
to probation.
a
So he could not
$2,000 fine?
report.
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that,
so
you
in
still
effect,
wish to
it's
plead
his
true to
first
violation of condition number 1. All
MTR. He was put on ISF. You placed him on
right, is there a
ISF,
proposed agreement?
and
But no, he had I mean, if I'm wrong, I'm trying to figure out, because he had a previous motion to revoke on December 4th, 2024, and it was
All right,
for a
defense, what are you
violation of
requesting?
condition number 1.
Your Honor,
I
we
don't
ask the
recall
court to consider
what that condition number 1
continuing
was,
Mr.
but the court
Johnson
denied the
in this
motion,
case.
alternate amendments conditions
This
to
is
include
his first
state ISF.
MTR. That's, I know it's his
So
second.
this is
The
his
first
second motion
one,
to revoke.
And
he was
the first time,
allegedly
they
breaking
try to give me the
was, I
violation.
believe
Oh,
the
you want to
court,
raise your right hand if you wish to
yes,
speak?
ma'am.
heard this
Do you solemnly
argument
swear affirm the
before.
testimony you give will be the truth and
He
nothing
was
but the
in
truth, so help you
TDC.
God?
Yes, ma'am.
All
He
right,
was
you can
sent
lower
to
your hand, state your name for the
when he
record.
was
Timothy
supposed to be
Johnson,
reporting
David
to
Johnson.
probation, so he could not
All right.
report. So in effect,
Yes, what
it's
would you
his
like to
first
say?
The day that
MTR.
I signed
He
on
was put
probation,
on
it was,
ISF.
I
You
brought it to the
placed him on
attention that
ISF.
I was on parole
And-
too, and the day that I
But no,
signed
he
on
had a-
probation, I got
I mean, if I'm wrong, I'm trying to figure out-
from probation,
Deja
so I
vu,
got sent
anyone?
back to
This
TDC.
man literally
So
got
therefore, I
caught for
wasn't
the
able
same
to
thing he
report for
promised not to
probation.
do.
No, here's the
You can
thing. I'm
almost
not
feel
even
Judge
focusing
Boyd's
on the
patience
failure
slipping
to
through the
report
floor.
because
he
the
had a
state has
previous
waived that motion to
but
revoke.
Your
On
previous
December 4th,
it's been brought to the
2024, and it
court's
was for a
attention.
violation
His
of condition
previous
number 1.
motion to revoke
I
from
don't
December
recall
that was a violation
what
of
that
condition number 1
Here's for
was,
evading arrest, but the court denied the motion. And so now we're
Alternate
back
amendments
here.
conditions
that's
To
from my
include
first
state
motion.
ISF.
Mhm.
That's correct.
And on that one,
So,
when you,
this is his second
motion to revoke. Play
And
true
my,
to that.
the first
What the
time,
court did was the
they tried to
court
give me the
denied the
violation.
motion to
Oh, you
revoke.
wanna raise your right
And the
hand if
court
you wish
alternate
to speak?
amended your
Do
conditions.
you solemnly swear affirm
And
the
now you're back
testimony you
here
give will be the truth
for
and
another
nothing but the truth, so
evading.
I
help
didn't
you
even know
God?
I had the first
All right, you can
evading
lower your
arrest.
hand,
I
state your
never-
name for the
I
record.
mean, you
played true to
Timothy Johnson, David
Mhm.
Johnson.
All right. And that was in October.
I don't remember.
Yes, what would you like to say?
I mean, I apologize. The day that I signed
No,
on
no, no, no.
probation,
I mean,
it was,
so,
it was,
and that
I brought it
happened,
to
that
the attention
evading was
I
alleged.
was on parole too.
I shouldn't
and
say
the day
alleged
that I
anymore
signed
because
on
you played true
probation,
to it.
I got
But that was committed on or about September 27, 2024.
So
you
therefore, I
had that
wasn't able to
evading
report
case.
for probation.
And then now
No,
we're
here's
back
the
here
thing. I'm
for
not even
another
focusing
evading
on the
case.
failure
to report
Mhm.
because the state
Yeah,
has waived
the first
that.
time I remember
But
this one,
Your previous.
I remember it
It's
was
been
a
brought to the
bad
court's
judgment call.
attention.
My David
His
officer said
previous
that I
motion
should
to
have just stopped.
revoke
I
from
probably got
December
ticket,
that was a
but
violation of
I shouldn't
condition
have
number
won
1.
'cause I
Here's
missed
for
the house
evading
visit. You know
arrest.
what I'm saying? I missed houses probably for
And
the
so
work
now
and
we're
that.
back here.
Oh, that's
You know
from
what
my
I'm
first
saying?
one. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm nervous right
And
now.
on
Like,
that
I mean, I
one,
say the
when
right
you,
things and
Played
I
true
ain't
to
like I
that.
told him I need his help. I'm
What the
asking
court
you
did
for
was
your
the
help.
court
You know what I'm saying?
denied
Here's
the
the thing.
motion
I
to
don't know
revoke.
if
And the court
probation is
alternate
appropriate for
amended
you,
your
and let me just tell you
conditions.
why.
And now you're back here.
Because it appears that
for
you have
another
learned
evading.
nothing.
I didn't even know I
And
had
let
the
me
first
let me
evading
tell you
arrest.
the reason why I say
never-
that.
I mean, you played true to
Because
it.
you were previously
did.
here before
Mhm.
for a violation of condition
And
one,
that was in
which was
October.
evading the police,
I
right?
don't remember that, Judge. So I mean,
And
I
then-
apologize. I really don't.
You were
No, no,
continued.
no, no. I mean, so,
And that
and now
happened.
you're
that
not even
evading
thinking,
was
you're still
alleged- evading the police. I shouldn't
No,
say
I mean,
alleged
I
anymore
thought
because
it
you
was
played true to it.
Evading,
But that was committed
the
on or
police.
about September
Actually, I ain't
27,
thinking. I got a
2024.
job. I got bills.
So
I
you
put
had
on
that
my name.
evading case.
I'm doing good. I
And
got
then
good
now we're
probation
back here
officer. I
for
just haven't
another
had time to
evading
really work with
case.
him, man. You know what I'm saying?
Now the problem is you
Yeah.
picked up
The
a new
first time I
offense, and
remember
this is the
this
second
one,
one.
like I did. I remember it was a bad judgment call. My David officer said that I should just stop. I probably got ticket, but I made a bad decision. I shouldn't have warned because I missed the house visit. Like I went to ISF, I'm on working that. My meds, I got meds. I went on my meds. I ain't gonna lie, I'm nervous right now. But I'm doing good. Like I'm sober. Like I ain't got no drug problems. I ain't like I told him I need his help. I got a job. I got electricity.
And here's the thing, I don't know if probation is appropriate for you, and let me just tell you
I'm
why.
actually doing good.
Because it appears that you have learned nothing.
I just made a
And
bad
let me
judgment call
let me
on
tell
that
you the
day.
reason why I say that.
I'm not gonna lie.
Because you were previously here before
Yeah.
for a violation of condition 1, which was evading.
2 years
He's being
last time.
honest here.
or to go with agreement on the stay in probation. 2 years would have been a blessing to anyone to
Repeating the
take.
same mistakes
But I
on
chose the probation because it's
That's
to
a fast
myself and I
track to
believe I
losing
could
any
do it.
sympathy from the
But see, here's the
bench.
thing, you chose the probation, but you're still doing the same thing. That's a
I'm not
problem.
doing
You
the
were
same thing. I
continued.
just made a bad call and made a
And
bad
now
decision
you're
on
not
the
even
same day.
thinking,
And I'm
you're
not trying to
still
debate with you.
evading the police.
Cause y'all understand, like, stuff that I know, and I can only learn from y'all. The others that actually, I am thinking I got a job, I got bills out there, and I got a good support. I'm doing good. I got a good probation officer. I just haven't had time to really work with them. I got things I can
Now, the
lose now.
problem is
You
picked up a new offense and this is the second
No, I
time.
didn't. No, I didn't. I understand. First time I know I made it. I apologize. Like, I mean, there ain't no excuse. That's why I admitted to. There ain't no excuse. I made a bad decision. I'm not on.
Just one
I'm
second.
on. Like I went to ISF because I'm on my meds. I got meds. I was on my meds in the world. But I'm doing good. Like I'm
So,
sober.
any
Like I ain't got
questions,
no
defense
drug
or state?
problems. And I'm doing good, Judge.
no,
Like, I got a job. I got electricity and water bill in my name. I got a new residence. I'm staying
Well, here's the thing, we don't shout in court,
I'm actually
right?
doing good and got.
You gotta be respectful to your attorney and respectful to each other.
I'll probably hire that day.
All
I'm
right.
not gonna lie. You know what I'm saying?
So,
I'm sitting
state
there
you're
asking Judge
recommending
Helbert,
revocation?
You offered me 2 years last
Yes, sir.
time, or to go with agreement on the stay in probation. 2 years would have been a blessing to anyone to take. But I chose the probation because it's
All
title
right.
for myself.
Any
and I believe I
objections
could
to
do
the
it.
court reviewing the
here's
court summary? You chose the probation,
No,
but you're
Your Honor.
still doing the same thing. That's a
I'm not doing
problem.
the same thing. I just made a bad call and made a bad decision on the same day. And I'm not trying to debate with you because y'all understand like stuff that I know, and I can only learn from y'all and others that are in a better position than I am out there in the world. You know what I'm saying? I got a good support system out there. I got my cousin, my boss. I'm in a new relationship. I got things I can lose now. And not just that, my own life is in your hands.
Mhm.
You know what I'm saying? And I understand that. I know I made it. No, I made it. No, I
All
made a
right,
mistake.
so with regards to the court summary, the probation is recommending ISF, but the court has previously given you ISF. So I'm going to grant the motion. Any questions? I'm finding violation of condition number one
No,
true,
Your Honor.
and the court will revoke. State, well, here's what the are you thing, asking we don't for
They
shout in court, right?
were asking,
You got to be respectful to your attorney and respectful to each other.
But we'd
All
ask
right.
you to consider 4 years, Judge.
So, state you're
this is,
recommending revocation?
Mr. Johnson
Yes.
is very sorry for breaking the conditions again. We'd
All
ask
right.
you to consider.
Any
4
objections
years.
to the court reviewing the court summary?
I'll say something.
No, Your Honor.
Yes.
Understand I just left ISF. I wouldn't have no problem going to there or any other program because it only gonna help me better myself, man. You know what I'm saying? There's not a lot of programs. It's an easy way out for me to go to if I get in time. And then it's not just that, like probably like I said, I lose my job, my bills, it affects my cousin because the bills are in his residence, they're in my name, so and I'm taking care of them. So I wouldn't have no problem going to another program, DDRA,
All right. So with regards to the court summary, the
again, because I know
probation
that they got
is recommending ISF, but the court has previously given you ISF. So
the first time I didn't
I'm
go
going
to
to
the
grant the
cognitive
motion.
side. The
I'm
second
finding
time, so I don't
violation
know
of
if that
condition
would be a
number one
possibility
true,
for me.
and the court will revoke.
All right, this is what the court is going to do.
State, what are you asking for
It's going to give you
time?
credit for any
they were
time
asking,
served.
to
An
report the
inpatient
judgment.
treatment that was successfully completed, defense,
But we'd ask you to
and
consider 4
credit for
years,
any time
Judge.
served. There's to
This
be no
is,
contact with the following
Mr. Johnson
persons.
is very sorry for
Meeting.
breaking the
There's to be
conditions
no
again.
residing
We'd
in
ask you to
households
consider
with
4 years.
minors, and the court will sentence you to 6
And may
years
I
in
say
the prison.
something?
Yes. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign
Only
it?
gonna help me better
Yes, ma'am.
myself, man.
All right, you have a
You know what I'm saying?
limited
There's
right
not
to
a lot of
appeal. That
programs.
right to
It's
appeal
an
is
easy
as it
way out for me
relates to
go
the
if
allegations
I
in the
get in
motion,
time.
not the fact that
And
you
then not just that, like probably like I
were
said, I
on
lose my
community
job, my bills,
supervision.
it affects my
Because this is a
cousin
felony
because
conviction, you're
the
not
bills
allowed
are in
to
his
own or
residence,
possess
they're in
any
my
weapons
name,
or
so-
ammunition.
and I'm
If
taking
you have
care
a
of
question
them.
over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you
So I
understand?
wouldn't have no problem going to another program,
All right, good luck to
DDRA,
you.
SATF, or ISF, again, because I know that they got cognitive
We don't
and
shout
also
in
got
court, right?
a substance abuse.
You got to be respectful to
6
your
years.
attorney and respectful
Judge
to each
Boyd
other.
gave him multiple chances,
All right.
but the repeat offenses finally caught up.
So,
Actions
states
have
you're
consequences,
recommending revocation.
especially when the judge remembers
Yes,
your
sir.
last visit.
Abuse side, and I went to the substance abuse side the first time. I didn't go to the cognitive side the second time, so I
All
don't know if that
Any
would be a
objections to the
possibility
court
for me.
reviewing the court summary? All right, this is what the court is going to
No, Your
do.
Honor.
The court is going to give you credit for any time served and inpatient treatment that was successfully completed, and credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with the following persons. There's to be no residing in households with minors, and the court will sentence you to 6 years in the prison. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Summary,
Did you understand it and sign it?
probation is recommending ISF.
All right, you have a limited
but the
right to
court has
appeal. That right
previously
to
given you
appeal is as it
ISF.
relates to
So,
the allegations in the
I'm going to
motion,
grant the
not the
motion.
fact that you
I'm finding
um,
violation of condition
were
number
on
1
community
true,
supervision.
and the court will
Because this is a
revoke.
felony conviction,
Steve,
you're not allowed to own
what
or
are you
possess
asking
any
for
weapons or
time?
ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Defense?
All right, good
We'd
luck
ask
to
you to
you.
consider 4 years, Judge. This is a